In this video, I'll show you how you can fix missing high performance plan on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now the first thing you want to do is go to CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and in here you want to type one of these commands. Now this depends on which one you want. So I already have my high performance. So let's say I want to add the ultimate performance one. What I would do is I would copy this one. I'm going to link this in the description so you can just do it. Paste it in here and press enter. After I do that, I'm going to come here and search for power plan. Go to my power options. And as you can see, the ultimate one has now been added. Now, if you're missing the high performance, you would just copy this one and put it in, and then you would find the high performance. Now keep in mind, if you didn't notice already, it can also be hidden under this one. So make sure you open up this one to check where it is. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.